I love material, especially when it's got a lot of history and tradition behind it. Here in Pakistan, their most famous fabric happens to be the pashmina, and that's why I'm here, to find my perfect pashmina. When I hear Pakistan, the first thing I think of is pashmina. The vibrant colours, the soft fabric, and the diverse, intricate pieces. But what intrigues me most is the craftsmanship, the history, and the intensive labour that makes pashmina so special. Anyone who's touched real pashmina knows how soft it is and how hard it is to put it down. The word pashmina is derived from Persian, meaning made from wool. This fine type of wool is the soft, silky undercoat of the Himalayan breed of goats, also known as the Kashmir goat, and this is exactly where it was first discovered, and where skilled locals carry on the ancient tradition of making pashmina. So beautiful and soft.
This is very nice.
Yeah.
It's really warm.
Is it? Oh, it's so soft. I just want to hug it, you know? Since the fibres of pashmina are so thin and delicate, pashmina fabrics are mostly handmade. The most popular pashmina pieces are shawls. And it's not just the pashmina material, but the fine handcraft embroidery that makes each shawl a unique piece of art. That part of the process commonly takes place on the highest mountains in Kashmir. Now that I know that all these pashminas come from Kashmir, guess where I'm going next? So here I am at Medina Market in Muzaffarabad, Kashmir. Let's go do some shopping. So many colors. Ooh. You have one like this, but no flowers, plain. Same color, no flowers. $800? My friend, you say 800, I say 500. Yes? Oh, what a bargain! But the hardest part is selecting just one shawl, or 10, or however many you can afford, as they range in prices between $5 to a whopping $100,000. So much to choose from, I can't decide. I think I've made my choice. But wait, that one's nice too. A cup of tea is always a really good way to end a very long day. But I wonder, have you ever had a pink Kashmiri tea? See you next time.